Greetings health enthusiasts and welcome to yet another enlightening video on the VitalGlow Life YouTube channel. Today, we're shedding light on the health benefits of a simple yet potent elixir, lemon water. This refreshing beverage is not only easy to whip up but can seamlessly blend into any daily routine. So whether you're an early riser or a night owl, lemon water is your go-to health booster. In the next few minutes, we will dive into the world of lemons and water, and you might be surprised at the benefits this simple combination can bring to your health. So, what makes lemon water so beneficial for our health? Well, let's see. First off, lemon water is a fantastic aid for digestion. The acidic nature of lemons can help to break down food in your stomach, making it easier for your body to extract vital nutrients. The citrusy beverage is like a little assistant for your digestive system, providing a helping hand to ensure everything runs smoothly. Now, let's talk about hydration. We all know how important staying hydrated is, right? But plain water can sometimes be a bit boring. That's where lemon water comes in. It adds a refreshing twist to your hydration routine, making it easier to get those 8 glasses of water a day. Plus, the electrolytes in lemons can help to replenish your body after a workout, making lemon water a fantastic post-exercise drink. Next up, the immune system. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which is a crucial nutrient for supporting a healthy immune system. Vitamin C helps to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are like the body's little warriors fighting off infections and diseases. So, by sipping on lemon water, you're not only quenching your thirst, but you're also arming your body with the tools it needs to stay healthy. But the benefits of lemon water don't stop there. You see, lemons are also a great source of potassium, which is essential for heart health and nerve function. And let's not forget about the antioxidants. Lemons are rich in these little health heroes, which can help to combat free radicals in the body, protecting your cells from damage. And what about the skin? The vitamin C in lemons can also contribute to healthier, more radiant skin. This is because vitamin C plays a key role in the production of collagen, the protein responsible for keeping our skin firm and youthful. It's quite a list, isn't it? But wait, there's more to this citrusy delight. Did you know that lemon water can also help you maintain a healthy weight? Yes, indeed! This zesty beverage is a natural aid in weight management. It's high in pectin fiber, which combats hunger cravings and keeps you feeling full for longer. Now, let's talk skin. The antioxidants in lemon water can actually help reduce blemishes and wrinkles. It's a drinkable spa treatment. Plus, it detoxifies your blood, leading to radiant, glowing skin. And if you're worried about bad breath, sip on some lemon water. The citric acid in lemon stimulates saliva production, keeping your mouth fresh and clean. However, it's important to dispel some myths. Lemon water is not a magic potion. It aids in health and wellness, but it shouldn't replace a balanced diet and regular exercise. And there you have it, a simple, refreshing drink with a myriad of health benefits. So why not add a slice of lemon to your water today? So, we hope you are as thrilled as we are about the health benefits of lemon water. This humble citrus-infused drink is a powerhouse of vital nutrients, offering benefits from boosting your immunity to promoting healthy skin. It's a simple, yet effective way to enhance your well-being. Remember, a glass of lemon water a day keeps the doctor away. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the VitalGlow Life YouTube channel. Stay healthy, stay glowing,